This is the ferry. Oh, it shakes a lot. That takes you from Thulusdhoo to airport. It's quite a big one, and it does go very fast apparently, but they do say that if you sit at the back, then it is not so bumpy. So I shall be sitting right at the back. They have, oh, each one has a life vest in case you need it. Seats look comfortable, even though they feel like they would be very tight. Yeah, they are a bit snug. So it's only connected to the front. The back bit is long ways out. And we are the first ones because we are quite early. That's how we roll. So we're just gonna sit here. Feels more spacious as well. It's not so tight, and it's a better view as well. That is their luggage hold, and they're putting all stuff in now. There is their luggage hold, they're putting all stuff in. And he closed it as well. I don't know if there are more people coming or not. This is the waiting area. I suppose there must be more people coming, otherwise he would have just headed off. But some more people are coming. More people coming, but not many people with luggage. There's one more couple with luggage, and we're leaving right on time. Yesterday morning there were 2 of these leaving for the airport. Today there's far fewer people, so there's only one of these speedboats leaving for the airport. Something wrong with the boat, and they tried to fix it. There were a couple of guys at the back, but this isn't as bad as I was expecting. Feel any jerking, or I don't know if they're going any slower than normal because there was something wrong with it. We are here. I can see the airport building. They get you here in 30 minutes. It takes nearly 2 hours on a ferry. Very comfortable ride. That was a really cool ride. It was very fast, but you don't really feel it. That's our luggage coming in. That's how they store the luggage, so it doesn't go everywhere. And the rear seats are the ones to sit at. Get the best view out of those because there's no window there, just a blind. Towards the end they had to pull the blinds down, but yeah, well, highly recommend it. I think they're the only company going in and out of Thulusdhoo anyway, but yeah, do take this to the island. Alright, if you like the video, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you next time for travel and review videos. Bye.